Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm gonna be vlogging and bringing you guys along today. First stop is Aldi and then Ross. It is a girls' day. I'm with my daughter. But yeah, let's go to Aldi because I need a couple of things for the week. But real quick, let me show you guys my new nails. I just got them done yesterday by a girly in Fontana, California. So if you guys are near the area, definitely go check her out. So pretty. Put some lip gloss because my lips are chapped. So I want to show you guys some of my favorite items. I did bring you guys last time and you guys enjoyed that vlog. So we need another grocery one. Again, nothing too crazy. We just have to restock on a couple of things. So let's go. I'm gonna turn off my car. Favorite chips. These are the organic tortilla chips. Yellow. And the purple. Did I take two yellow? I'm gonna take two yellow. These are so good. Let me get the bread. Favorite bread. This one's a little beat up though. Yeah. This one's better. Organic, Bobby approved. Sourdough. One or two? One. This is what our cart is looking like. We have fruit, a little bit of vegetables, chiles for the delivery drivers. Oh, they do have a turkey and ham. 2 turkey, 1 ham. Oh, we're in the way over here. Jasmine rice. Organic unsweetened almond milk. Coffee. This is my go-to coffee. If you know, you know. Organic at Aldi is the one. Ever since I heard about mold and stuff. For pasta sauce, we like this one, the tomato and basil. You don't want marinara? No, huh? No. Damage today at Aldi was, how much was it? Oh, $1.99. That's not that bad. Oh, but we didn't get no meat. No protein. Next stop is Ross. We're at the Ross in Fontana, I think, right? Yeah, I think it is Fontana. I kind of like this Ross. Look what I found at Ross. Isn't this so cute? I'm obsessed with these snack boxes. They have butterflies, but I want the heart. We have those bowls. Alright guys, I am home. Got all the groceries down. We ended up going to Ross, Aldi. But we're gonna do breaded chicken with some tomato pasta that the kids wanted. This one my kids love. This is new. We saw it at Aldi and it caught our attention. I'm gonna do that later, but I'm gonna do the chicken first. So we're gonna cut this chicken up in like thin slices. So slimy. For lunch, for hubby, he did go work today and I packed him some breaded chicken, but he wanted pesto. But the kids want tomato. They're kind of over the pesto. We have some egg wash right here. And then I just grabbed these breadcrumbs from Aldi. They just have to be the Italian style. And then you're gonna pour it in a flat plate. Like that. Okay. This is what they look like when you're done breading them. So let's start. You're gonna grab a slice of chicken. Put it into the egg wash. Then you're gonna dump it. And dump it onto your breading. Sprinkle that breading and just tap it so it's nice and coated. And then I kind of poke it and she's good. And repeat. Last week I made them breaded milanesa, and they were like, okay, now we want chicken. I hadn't made this in a minute. Dishwasher is done. Thank God for the dishwasher, you guys. We have the plain chicken. I dump it into the egg wash, pat it here, and then pour it over there. So look, I have a piece right here. This is how you keep it mess free. You need a fork to stab the chicken. And quickly lay it. And I'm sure, before someone comes on here, I'm sure these aren't the healthiest, but they'll have it like, but once a month is not bad, okay? Obviously, if you're eating it every day, maybe not. But I don't make the breaded chicken often. All right, the chicken is done. I probably should have used a longer, bigger plate, but I have my oil ready, but I'm gonna end up, we're gonna fry it, but before that, I do want to start the pasta. So let me grab. And put our pot in water to boil. Ignore the mess I have in the back. The water is boiling. So let's pour it. If I can open this, there we go. Do I need to cook it differently or what's the deal? Bring water to boil, add salt, add pasta, stir occasionally. Oh, I think my allergies want to start. The pasta is ready, probably a little overcooked. Let me hurry up. Turn that off. Let's drain it. I do have a mess, you guys. I do have a mess. Fry this chicken. I think we're gonna do 2 at a time. Once it changes color, we're gonna flip it. These pieces are not too thick, so you don't need to cook it too long. And add our sauce. And add all of that. Now let's flip this one. The trick is not to move it like back and forth. Let's flip this one more time. Okay, I'm gonna lower it a little bit. Let's mix this up before it makes me a mess. Get all that butter mixed in. Look at that, everything well done. So we have the first one. So this one is my oldest plate. And then this one is my youngest. I have more chicken in case they want more. Welcome.